Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And guys, I am here at Dollar General on an early Sunday morning. And guys, I have some all digital deals for you. We're going to have an incredible haul. We're going to get a little bit of everything. The digital coupons, the new ones just came out. So let's hope and pray that everything comes off. We don't have any problems at the register and everything goes through smoothly. So go through your phone, get your DG app open so that you could take your clip your coupons, and so you could do some screenshots. And let's get ready to save, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Go ahead and hit the subscription button as well as the bell next to it. That way you'll be notified every time I put up a new video. And don't forget to join our clubs. We have 2 levels, guys. We have the Savers Club and we have the Stockpilers Club. The Savers Club is $2.99. The Stockpilers Club is $4.99. You get all kind of benefits. We'll be doing all kind of giveaways. And that's just something extra so that I can give you guys extra things. And thank you guys for supporting the channel. So I'm going to turn the camera around and we're going to get right into our deals. Okay, guys, so the first deal that we're going to do is on the Glade starter kits. So I'm going to grab one of these starter kits. It's the warmer plus the refill. They are $3.50. Now, I'm getting this scent, the Aqua Waves. You can get any scent that you want. Just make sure that they're $3.50. Now, the reason why we're going to grab that is because we just got this new digital today. You see it right here? Here's the digital, $2.50 off, and it does attach to that. So this is going to be $1 out of pocket. So let's move on to our next deal. Alrighty, so our next deal is going to be on these Absorbine patches. Now you can get either the $1.55 ones, which is the knee patch, or you can get the Absorbine, and this is the back patch extra large. When I scanned this one in, the extra strength, it did not come up with the, it didn't match up with the digital. So I'm not going to get that one, but I'm going to get 2 of these. Okay, these are the 1 count extra large back patches, and the reason I'm getting them is because we have a $1 digital. They are $1, I'm sorry, and when you buy 2 of them you get 75% off. That's the digital. So that'll be $2. We're going to get 75 cents off, so we're going to pay a $1.25 out of pocket for 2. Okay. All right, so the next thing we're going to pick up is some of the Systex UTI pain relief. Now I have to get the ones that are $5.75. They do have some that are $4.75. So if your store has the $4.75, get those, because then they will only be 75 cents. I have to get the $5.75 because that's what my store has, and this is what they look like. And the reason we're going to pick those up is because we do have a digital. There's 2 digital coupons. So just make sure that you are clipping the $4 one. So if your store has the $4.75 ones, get that, because then you'll only be paying 75 cents. Do not clip the $2 one. So I'm going to get the $5.75, so I'm going to pay a $1.75 for these. So I'm going to put them in the cart and move to our next deal. Okay, so next we're going to grab some Nivea lip therapy. So my store has the peach ones. Those are $2, but they also have the milk and honey. This is the one I'm going to get because the milk and honey is $1.80, and you know I always go the cheapest route. And the reason I'm going to pick these up is because we have a $1 digital that attaches. There you go, right there. So that will bring these down to 80 cents. Pretty good deal for Nivea. Okay, so next, guys, we're going to do this Bugles deal. We're going to grab 3 of the Bugles. You can get the nacho cheese or you can get the original. It doesn't matter. You just have to make sure you get the 3.7 ounce or larger, okay? We're going to get the 3.7 ounce because they are $1. And here you see I have scanned the nacho cheese, so they're $1. Now, if you spend $10, you'll get $2 off. We're not going to do that deal. We're going to do the deal where you buy 2, you get 50 cents off. But look, they're buy 2, get 1 free. So we're going to get a total of 3 bags. I'm going to get these, the originals, because that's my favorite. So I'm going to get 3 bags. I'm going to get 1 of these free. So I'm going to pay $2 with the instant savings. But then I'm going to get 50 cents off. So that's going to be $1.50 for 3 bags. So basically 50 cents a piece. So these are half price. Okay, guys, so the last thing that we're going to grab is one of these Febreze small spaces. So the small spaces are $4. I'm going to grab this new one here, this heavy duty one. And there is a $2 digital on that. So basically we're going to get this for 50% off. We're going to pay $2. Okay, guys, so this is everything that we're going to get today. So we're going to head up to the register, and I will see you guys back in the car so that we can go over our receipt and what our out-of-pocket is. Okay, guys, so we're back in the car. Let's go over our receipt. Everything worked out good except for the Systex. The manager had to manually enter that digital coupon because it didn't come off. But let's see. There are the Bugles. So I got 3 Bugles, and you see 1 came off for free because it was buy 2 get 1 free. Then I got the Glade for $3.50, the Febreze for $4, the 2 Absorbine patches for $1 each. The Systex, that was $5.75. You see she put a savings of $4 because she had to manually take that $4 digital coupon off. The Nivea for $1.80. Now here's my digital coupons that came off. The $1 for the Nivea, the 75 cents for the Absorbine patches, the $2.50 for the Glade, the 50 cent for the Bugles, and the $2 for the Febreze. So my total was $8.86. 56 cents of it was tax. You know, we don't talk about tax, so I'm not even going to go over that. So my real out-of-pocket was $8.30. And then there you see those digital coupons. So guys, I think this was a pretty good deal for $8.30. Now, just to let you know, a lot of these products were on coupons.com. So I did submit my receipt for money back for the Bugles, for the Glade, for the Absorbine patches, and for the Systex, and for the Nivea. So everything was on coupons.com except for the Febreze. So let's see if it glitches and it gives it back to me. I will update you guys on the community tab. But let me know what deals you guys are going to do. Let me know if your system is acting crazy today or not. And until the next time, keep on saving.